Hey guys, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I want to give you a tour of this magnificent home at 4306 Skyline Road. This is a stunning custom-built home, Tuscan-style, quality throughout the home, everywhere. It does have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 3629 square feet, including an indoor pool. There's absolutely gorgeous sweeping views of the Mesilla Valley, the city lights, and the Oregon Mountains. Come on in and let's take a look around. As soon as you walk in the home, you walk into this family room and you just see the views of the Oregon Mountains and the valley. The home actually has imported German windows, Pella doors on the exterior doors. You have this great Travertine tile, these gorgeous beams, and this beautiful fireplace. I'm standing in the kitchen now. Again, you have the gorgeous views of the valley and the Oregon Mountains. The sellers have actually remodeled the kitchen, has brand new granite countertops. They've upgraded all the appliances. These are all brand new Wolf appliances. You have an Electrolux custom refrigerator here. The sellers have also repainted the interior and exterior. This is brand new faux painting throughout the home. You got this great formal dining room in between the family room and the kitchen. Again, gorgeous chandelier. It does have surround sound. You have the Travertine tile. And again, you have these great magnificent views out here with the slider out to the back patio. The home has a split floor plan. Right now I'm standing in the owner's suite here. Large spacious room. There's Travertine tile in here. There's no carpet in the home at all. It is all the Travertine tile. You have a great sitting area. The owner's suite bathroom is an absolute spa-like bathroom. You have double sinks, granite countertops, a jetted tub, a huge walk-in shower. Just a great space. The home has the split floor plan and the 2 guest bedrooms are huge. There's plenty of room for a king-size bed. You have deep closets as well. The Travertine tile in the bedrooms. The 1 bedroom has some great mountain views and valley views. Guest bathroom has the Travertine tile, granite countertops, and a beautiful walk-in shower. Another great part about this home is this incredible garage. It's a finished garage. You've got 3 bays, insulated garage doors. There is a mini split system in here for heating and cooling. It's got tons of storage as well. The sellers, again, is taking care of everything. It has a new water heater, a new filtration system on the water, reverse osmosis, a water softener. Just an incredible space in here. All right, one of the best parts about this house is this incredible indoor pool. The sellers have refinished the entire pool. They put all new equipment in, has a new heater, new pump, new filter. You got this incredible space with these great sliders going out to a patio, so you can open this up. You got a shower in here as well. It is climate controlled. So this home, you have this great lot. It sits on 3.21 acres. Again, overlooking the valley, the city. You have views of the Doniana. Just an absolutely gorgeous view. Probably one of the best views in town. You got this great outdoor living space as well. You got the stamped concrete patio that runs the length of the house. You have these great imported ceiling fans here. an outdoor grill, kitchen area as well. I want to thank you for taking this tour of 4306 Skyline Road. This is a must-see. It's this gorgeous Tuscan home with this incredible setting. It sits on 3.21 acres. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3-car garage. It's 3629 square feet. Just custom throughout, imported German windows, Pella exterior doors, solid wood doors on the interior. You have Travertine tile throughout. Plus, you have this incredible indoor pool. Everything has been taken care of. The sellers have been meticulous with this property, so the new homeowner is not going to have to do anything except for move in. So give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandloscruces.com. Thanks. Have a great day.